It's been a year since the Delhi riots of 2020, and both the pandemic and bureaucratic sloth have led to delays in giving compensation to the victims. The Northeast Delhi Riot Claim Commission was announced by the Delhi government to expedite the process of disbursing the compensation. But the compensation process has now been stuck in delays, as the commission says that there are only 5 surveyors available, which is not enough to conduct an assessment of the damages.
We have received 2600 odd claims by 15th Feb only. We are at the initial stage of assessing how to proceed. We have given the loss assessors some sample cases of 20 cases each, so that they can assess and find out how they are going to proceed, what are the difficulties of the victims as well as the assessors.
Don't you think that these surveyors are very less in numbers?
Issued a letter to the Delhi government seeking notification of another 20 surveyors so that the work can be speeded.
So in total we received 2600. So after revealing that, we have came to know that hundreds they people have filed in duplicates. So now we have in total 2500 claims of the victims, and not as such the total deadline we have given, because the surveyors are taking their own time for assessing all this, because they are working in a very tremendous conditions and the hazardous condition they are working. They are going themselves in the remote areas. And sometimes the claimant have not furnished their documents itself. They are going to complete that. So there is no, that is why the time criteria we are going to fix in between.
The Claim Commission has got 2600 applications so far, but none of them has been executed. The reason is only appointment which was supposed to be done in the month of April, because the notification was done in April, but it was not done, and now just a month ago the appointment of the surveyors has happened, and only 5 surveyors are there which are now working on the field, going door to door to conduct the assessment of the losses happened during the riot. Now the commission has again written to the government to give more surveyors. In fact, 20 surveys they have demanded. But are these 20 or the 25 are sufficient enough? But definitely it tells the story that how much the government is serious in providing or in giving and disbursing these compensation to the riot victims' families. With video journalist Mrityunjay Kumar, I am Alok for Mirror Now.
In fact, many victims are waiting for the compensation, and Alok spoke to one such person, Monisha, whose 2-storied house was charred. Now, she claims she's received only 25,000 from the government thus far, and she still keeps the gutted items of her house as proof of the damage.
तो जब कुछ मिला नहीं तो यहाँ चले गए, कुछ दिखाई नहीं, फिर रोके फिर चले गए।
जी। और कितना सामान या सरकार की तरफ से क्या मिला आप लोग को?
सरकार के ओर ही तो हमें कुछ नहीं, सिर्फ ATM की तरफ से हमें 25,000 रुपया मिले थे बस। और 100 लॉकडाउन में तो जय पता नहीं लोग कहीं चले गए।
लॉकडाउन से और दिक्कत हो गई।
हाँ, तो खाए पिए चाय पानी, और हमें कुछ नहीं मिला। 5-6 थे जानवर,
कहाँ गए? वो भी गायब?
वो गायब है,
पता नहीं। सामान ये जैसा आपने दिखाया अभी भी बचा के छत पे रखा हुआ आपने?
हाँ, जो बचा के रखा है, और जो तो कबाड़ा वो बेच लिया, कान रखे रहते जो सारा जैसे सिलेंडर सब जरे रखे।
ये आपने रखा इसलिए रखा है ताकि दिखा सके?
हाँ, और कोई प्रूफ हम पे है नहीं।
हाँ, और प्रूफ आपके पास कुछ नहीं?
कुछ नहीं प्रूफ,
कागज सारे जल गए? सब
प्रूफ खत्म।
कितने रुपए का नुकसान हुआ होगा आंटी, अगर हम बात करें लगभग कितने का नुकसान हुआ?
कम से कम 30-35
लाख
का हो गया।